Alright, Ryker Nation, it's the moment of truth. Finally got that Brannon King muffler installed. I like the blue accent there. I actually purchased some high heat rated up to 2,000 degrees and painted the rest of it black. And let's see how she sounds. That's a deep tone. Sounds like a lion is hidden in this Ryker. Maybe because it's a Leo like me. But anyway, Brannon, I thank you, brother. Excellent work. Actually, and that's crazy loud. Even with I have the baffle on the front, not on the tail. I have the baffle in there too. Whew. Only thing I can say, maybe the tune coming next. We'll see. Stay tuned. God bless. God loves you. So do I.